Hi all, I'm Snehil Kumar Singh, District Collector Kozhikode. I welcome everyone for the KTX Global Wave 2024. Kozhikode is a promising city. It's an urban city, it's a growing city. It is not just a Kozhikode which is known for beaches, for its heritage, for its literature, but we are also an upcoming IT destination. We've also established a lot of IT-based establishments, be it the Cyber Hub, be it any other private sector-based investment called UL Cyber Park. We are hoping that Kozhikode becomes one of the key destinations of IT community investments, and we are able to export exciting new products for the entire world to see. Kozhikode has had a long history, has a heritage which is deep-rooted in our people, in our culture. The KTX Global Wave is going to imbibe and prosper that heritage and culture. I welcome everyone to the KTX Global Wave 2024. I welcome everyone to enjoy, to make a community for the growth of Kozhikode.